A really long time ago, this really pretty peacock lived on a special hill in the Himalayas. He had a daily routine that kept him alive. One fateful day, Queen Kenma of Varanasi heard a beautiful bird and wanted it for herself. She requested her husband, the king, to bring the peacock to the palace. With that, the king sent a hunter to catch the bird. But for some apparent reason, it never worked. For 7 years, the hunter tried and failed. He ended up dying, with the queen following him into death's arms. The king grew very angry at this poor innocent peacock, and with this, wrote an inscription saying that anyone who would eat the peacock would become immortal. So as time passed on, several rulers tried to catch the peacock, but failed miserably. That is, until the seventh. The seventh successor sent a clever hunter with a charming peahen, whose singing was as sweet as nectar. One morning, the peacock saw the peahen, and, being distracted by her voice and beauty, forgot his methods of avoiding capture. And with that, the peacock had been finally caught. The hunter happily presented it to the king. Delighted at the peacock's beauty, they struck up a conversation.
Remind me again why you wanted to catch me?
Oh, there was an inscription from a king a while ago that said that if someone ate you, they could become immortal. Besides, you do look young.
Oh, that guy. Well, the only reason I look like this is because in my previous life, I followed the 5 precepts and I never broke any of them.
That still doesn't explain how you were able to avoid all of the hunters and traps for all these years.
Well, for that, I merely recited a mantra every day and night to protect from the traps the hunters set up. I first honored and acknowledged the sun's rising. Then I honored the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, or the triple gems. At night, I honored the sunset. Finally, I honored the triple gems again.
Wow, that's amazing.
Right. Now, knowing that I'm not a peacock who can give you immortality, would you mind letting me go?
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Wait, hold up. Why would the king ever trust the words of a bird?
I'm glad you asked. While the king and the peacock were talking, the king questioned why he should believe the bird. The bird then replied,
In my past life, I used to be the king of this kingdom. At the bottom of the royal lake, there's a chariot which I used back when I was a king.
So the king sent someone to check, and the peacock's words checked out. And the peacock's life continued, back from where he came.